Okay, so good afternoon to you all, sir. Today is video about the front shock of Honda XRM RS 125. I didn't show it the video because last Easter Sunday I arrived my order front shock assembly. They don't have available original front shock of the RS 125 carburetor type. Here it is now, front shock of the XRM 125 Trinity. That's fit, sir, because the problem, sir, the aftermarket TTG brand is very soft and shaking too much. Because I opened it, there is no front shock bushing. Sir, here's is the amount of 4,074 pesos I ordered from Shopee. So I decided to order myself, so I would take life of the front shock. It was past March month. I'll go into Caloocan, but my mom was not going to Caloocan to search the original front shock for NES 125 carburetor type. It's just that the parts, they're in Caloocan, might be difficult. So I thought that way I just ordered at Shopee. Because it used TTGR no more. I scrapped and then I weighed it in the junk shop. It just that I won't be buying again aftermarket front shock, okay? So I explain in our video that he's no longer very shaking. He's no longer very soft even if he does not shake. When braking forward the motorcycle, okay? That's, sir. I will show you this front shock XRM 125 Trinity. This is front shock assembly from Honda. Let's see, sir. There are, sir, he is no longer shaking. Then he is not very soft. When braking, let's look again. That's why he doesn't shake much anymore. When braking, look first. He's playing. Sir, I will just put a link in the description and comment section below. If you want to order this, okay? Just up to here in the next vlog.